So namaste everybody. So now let's chant Om for a few times all together. A great salute to universe. So bring your both hand upon the knees and let's breathe 6 times, deep inhale and deep exhale, the purpose to clean the nose and warm up your inner organs. So now deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can clean your nose. So now let's do inhale through the left nose, exhale through the right nose. So with the right hand perform the gesture of the pranayam. So now close your both nose, inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Use your ring finger for the left nose and right for thumb for the right nose. So now here keep your shoulder wider and now deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now drop your hand and clean your nose. So now continue, inhale through the right nose, exhale through the left nose. Use your ring finger for the left and thumb for your right nose. So now deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can clean your nose and now let's continue to practice let's practice the warming up. So this lesson will be dedicated for the evening practice. So when you return back from your office, from your business point, from your work, any kind. So nowadays everyone be sitting on the chair, which make tight our hips, hamstring, lower back, gluteus muscle, and we suffer with the lower back pain, tight hamstring. Also many times you have the constipation and then abdominal muscle and etc. So how to get free and then get the good health? So therefore this practice will be dedicated for the evening practice. So please like our channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. So whenever I will upload the new video, it will reach to you itself. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's work out. So both leg to the front here, hand by the side, and now inhale, exhale. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale 6. Now clockwise. Now inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. So the ankle is connected with your knees. Many times people have knee pain and have so the uric acid when it goes, so people they feel that the knee pain, ankle pain, hips pain. So its rotation is increase the mobility. So hand by the side again anti-clockwise. Now inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. So now continue. Let's warm up. Contract your belly in and lean your body forward. Erect here and now deep. Inhale and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you stretch here, hold here, look front and sound breathe. Now inhale and rotate your body to the right side. Look back, hold here, breathe here. Now inhale, rotate your body to the left side, twist here, breathe here, sound breathe. Now inhale, exhale. So now let's open the hamstring. Bend your right leg, hold your foot, belly in. Now inhale and exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Hold here, breathe here, look your toes, belly in and sound breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now release. Now bend your left leg, hold your foot. Now inhale and exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Now contract your belly in, look your toes here and sound breathe. Now inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now release. So now let's stand up and continue warm up your body up. Now, so open your feet in the line of the mat Bring your both arms up, your hand upon the buttocks, belly in. Now inhale, right, back, left, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now opposite. Now inhale to the front, left, back, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now continue. Let's warm up again here. So bring your right hand back, left arms up, inhale and exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. So now you can feel your hips. Now, so fix your feet in the line of the shoulder. Both hands to the front. Now deep. Inhale and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now palms up. Hold your shoulder, belly in. Now deep. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Inhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Inhale. 6. And now. So anti-counter. Now anti-clockwise. So now deep. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now again continue. Let's open the shoulder, mobility, and open the lock. So bring your hand wider, and now deep inhale and now release and take. Inhale and exhale. Now, so continue. Bring your hand to the back side and rotate your neck. Now, so deep. Inhale to the right, back, left, exhale. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. Now anti-clockwise. Now inhale, exhale. 1, Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. So now continue. Let's practice for final warming up. For that, organize your t-shirt underneath your trouser. So fix your feet in the line of the mat, and then gradually you practice. So bring your both arms up, your hand upon the buttocks, and do not force your lower back. So anything you do, you know your health, your injury or anything, so please practice your physical level and enjoy your practice. So your hand upon the buttocks on the gluteus muscle, belly in and arch your back. Now, inhale up, bring your both arms up, belly in, lean your body forward, bring your hand interlock, and now you shake. Now, inhale up, bring your both arms up, your hand upon the buttocks, belly in. Now again, arch your back. Now, inhale up, bring your both arms up, belly in. Exhale, bring your hand on the back, interlock. Now you shake. Now, inhale up, bring your both arms up, hand upon the buttocks, belly in, and arch your back. Inhale up, both arms up, and release. Really give the power, energy, vital energy, and it help to open your all the part of the body, all the blockages. So here is, let's practice the sun salutation, the salute to the universal power, universal energy. So hand by the side. Now deep. Inhale. Exhale. The Namaskar Asana, Namaskar Mudra. Gesture of prayer. Now inhale, both arms up and arch your back. Urdhva Stottanasana. Contract your belly in, lean your body forward, fingers and toes. And now exhale, forehead touch your leg and breathe Padahastasana. And breathe here. Now inhale, your right leg back. Look to the front, belly in. Now sound breathe. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix your palms. Now hold the ground, retain your breath, bring your other leg back, body in one line, the plank pose, and let's breathe, sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now drop your knees, your chest, chin, nose, forehead on the ground. Sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop your ankle, drop your hips. Inhale and stretch up. Bhujangasana, shoulder wider. Now Open your throat, look up ceiling, both legs together and sound breathe. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fix your palm, drop your feet, and now lift your buttocks up, shoulder wider, belly in, and now mountain pose. Let's breathe here. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale and bring your right foot. Now your left knees, ankles on the ground. Look front. Hold here. Breathe here and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, retain and exhale. Forehead touch your leg and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Padahastasana. Now inhale, bring your both arms up, belly in, the Urdhastottanasana. Now arch your back. Exhale, the Padahastasana, fingers and toes in one line, and forehead touch your leg, and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, your left leg back. Now your left knees, ankles on the ground. So mind your knees and ankles should be in one line. Look to the front. Hold here and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now retain your breath, the plank pose, the Dandasana. Now let's breathe. Do not force your wrist. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now exhale. Drop your knees, your chest, chin, nose, forehead on the ground, and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now drop your ankles, your hips. Inhale and Bhujangasana, shoulder wider, open throat, look up ceiling and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fix your palms, turn your foot. Now the mountain pose, and then sound breathe. Lift your buttocks up, mountain pose, and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, bring your left foot. Again, your mind, your knees and ankles should be in one line. Look to the front and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale and retain. Bring your other leg forward. Exhale. Forehead touch your leg and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, inhale, bring your both arms up, arch your back, Urdhastottanasana. And exhale, inhale and exhale. Now, step back, bring your both hands to the front, bend your knees and child pose. So now continue, let's lie down, and it's evening practice, so you can practice lie down relaxing pose, which is the really work and helpful for your hamstring, for your lower back, for your constipation, for your diabetic, and related with your knees and hips joint. So hand by the side, both leg to the front, straight and lie down forward. Now, so let's do the Pavan Muktasana. Also you can say the name, Ek Pad Pavan Muktasana. Now, inhale, your right leg up. So supposed to be your leg 90 degree. If it is not, don't worry, but if try it 90 degree. And let's breathe here. Now, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slightly bend, contract your belly in and bend your knees here and try to chin touch your knees. Hold with the both hands. If not possible, you can hold with the props and then pull here. Then another leg 25 degree up and sound breathe. And now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now cross your hand here, hold here, and now let's breathe. And also mind shouldn't be like this, should be like this. Chin touch your knees and let's breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold your elbows and feet pointed and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now drop your left leg, your right leg up. So how to open your hips and hamstring? This is the best position. If you cannot hold, so you can use with the props and belt. Then keep your this leg straight, hold your foot by lay in, and then bring towards your face and hold here and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now hand by the side and very slow release. So you will feel your hips and hamstring is really help to release your block and open to the hips and hamstring, release the constipation. Now inhale, your left leg up here, hold here, let's breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slightly bend your knees, belly in, hold your foot here, hold, chin touch your knees. And now another leg 25 degree up and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now cross your hand, hold here, breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now hold your elbows, feet pointed, and breathe here, sound breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now release your right leg, left leg straight to open your hips and hamstring. Belly in. If you bending knees, you can with the left hand hold here, right hand hold here. Stay here your physical level. If your body allow, then hold with the both hand and then bring towards your face, both legs straight here and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now slow release and both legs together here. Now let's do the counter pose to open your quadriceps, lower abdomen, front hips, rib cage and chest. Is known as the fish pose. Hand by the side, and now head up, look your big toes and crown on the ground, arch your chest and breathe here. And now rib cage, arch your rib cage and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now head up, look your toes, and now release and small relaxation. So you can feel and relax. Now continue. Let's practice for Paribreath Jatragni Asana, which really work to open the gluteus muscle, release the constipation and the side abs. So it really work here. So now again open your both hand wider here. Now inhale your right leg up and let's breathe here and stretch here. This leg is straight, this leg is straight. Hold here and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bend your right knees, put upon the left knees, and if you need bricks you can put here. Contract your belly in and drop your right knees on the bricks here. Hold here. Important, your both shoulders should be on the ground. Rotate your neck and look here and sound breathe here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale and raise your right leg up. Hold here again to open your hips and hamstring. Belly in. Hold here and then feel here. Both legs straight and pull towards your face here and breathe here. Sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now slow release. And now both legs together here. Now again open your both hand wider, your left leg up, belly in, and then bend and put upon the right knees. If you need a cushion or bricks you can put. And now inhale, belly in, exhale. And now drop your knees. Important, your left shoulder should stay on the ground and sound breathe here. Rotate your neck, look opposite. Breathe here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now raise your left leg up, belly in, hold here, and now stretch your leg here towards your face and body, belly in. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now release. Now again let's do the counter pose, which is known as the Matsyasana, the fish pose. Bring your hand underneath your body. You can put your hand like this or interlock. So you can bring your hand underneath your body, both legs together, and feet in 90 degree. Now deep inhale, raise your head up, look your toes, arch your chest and crown on the ground, and sound breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's known as the Matsyasana, the fish pose. Now look your big toes, release, and now release your hand. Take a relax here. Now deep inhale, exhale now. Now, so continue, let's practice again Dvipad Pavan Muktasana. So both leg, hand by the side, and again here, both leg up, 90 degree. And breathe here. Do not move your buttocks up. Keep your buttocks, belly in, leg straight, and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now slightly bend your knees, belly in, and now hold your foot here and chin touch your knees. And now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now hold your big foot with the both hand, cross hand, and sound breathe. And chin touch your knees. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold your elbows, feet pointed, and chin touch your knees and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now both hand wider. So see, if you drop like this, it does not work. But if you drop your knees like this, so it really help to open your gluteus and part of the body. So now let's do with the right hand, hold your left belly in and drop to the right side here. So you can feel here all this. And rotate your neck and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale with the left hand. Exhale. Rotate your neck and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this way you can drop 3 times right side, 3 times left side, hand by the side, both leg up, and then now release here. Now their counter pose, and also is really work too for the lower back pain pupil, and really work those who work on the lot of sitting work. So it is known as the basic chakrasana or basic bridge pose. Feet on the ground, or if possible hold your ankles, hold here, breathe here. Now, so deep inhale, hips up, inhale, exhale. Is really helpful for the lower back or those who work 10 to 12 hours sitting work. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. Now also you can stretch up, and then another version, bring your hand between your heels here and breathe here, sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if body allow, you can bend your elbows and hold your buttocks, gluteus muscle, heels on the ground, belly in, and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now release. Now, so slightly their counter pose. Grab your knees, chin touch your knees, hold here and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then bring your hand, you can rock forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now both leg up and very slow release. Now continue to practice. Again, is really helpful because when you work into the office, your shoulder get rounded, and then left capacity get small, and the neck get forward, mean you get the kyphosis. So how to protect the not to get the kyphosis, or after 10-12 hour what to do here? So the very simple thing, see here, you lie down to the stomach side, hand by the side, and then hand here. It's a basic level, palms, and now deep inhale and up. Hold here, fix your elbows, belly in, look up ceiling, sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now Makarasana. Relax here, hold here, breathe here. Now, so continue again. Bring your hand underneath your chin, and if you feel really pain, your lower back get compressed, so you can organize the cushion or material and put underneath your pubic bone. like this. And then you can recognize. Then again bring your hand under here and stretch up, open throat, look up ceiling. And now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now Makarasana. Hold here. Breathe here. Now, so both legs together. Again, the version 3. Bring your hand underneath your shoulder. And now, chin on the ground. Now, deep inhale and raise up. Shoulder wider. Open throat. Look up ceiling and sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Makar Asana. Hold here. Breathe here. Now continue, come to the cat position. Now, so cat, your knees, ankle and palm, shoulder should be in one line. Now, so deep inhale, head up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And now, buttocks on the heels, stretch your hand to the front and child pose and relax here. Now, so continue, let's twist, gentle twist into the cat here. So again, bring your knees and ankle in one line. Now, so bring your right hand front, left arms up, and first put here, and then bring your neck, head in center, and hand goes over the head, look up ceiling and sound breathe, and breathe here. 6, 5, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now again, bring your hand here, and now bring your hand to the front, belly in, and right hand, and now left hand over the head, and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, come to the cat pose. Now, inhale, exhale. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3. And now, your hand goes to the front, buttocks on the heels, hand by the side, and child pose. Now, so continue, let's practice for. It's really good to release the constipation and diabetic and losing weight, and is really good to give you freshness and appetite and digestion, known as the Matsendra Asana. So bend your your knees and ankle in the same line here. Belly in, hold your knees and move here. Bring your both arms up. And now, with your right hand, hold your knees and bring your left arm here. Hold here.
and bring your left hand back. Hold here. Right hand back, sorry. Look back here. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now both arms up and now counter pose. Rotate here. Now both arms up and release. Now here see, bend your left knees and ankle in the same line with the both hand hold. Shake and move. Now bring your both arms up. Now bring with the left hand hold your left knees and right armpit here. Hold here and bring your left hand back and twist your body, look back here. Breathe here, sound breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bring your both arms up and then counter twist. Breathe here. Now both arms up, release. Now lie down for final Shavasana. Hand by the side, spine is straight. Open your leg in the line of the mat and lie down, and you feel your pelvic floor, feel your hamstring, feel your hips, feel your lower abdomen, and feel your lungs and chest, feel your body, feel your mind. 5 to 7 minutes. After that you turn your body to the left side and you stay here like you are sleeping 1 to 2 minutes. After that you sit up and sit down into the cross leg position and both hands upon the knees. Close your eyes and feel your mind, feel your body, feel all the chakras, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Ajna, Chakra, and meditate 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40, 50 or 60 minutes. After that, bring your hand upon the chest and chant Om. 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 Great. Thanks to universe. So please keep practicing. Be healthy, be wealthy, and be wise. So a great thanks to universe. Have a great day. Thank you so much. हाँ